Guten Tag and welcome to Glenwood in Richmond, Texas. Let me show you around this nice subdivision. Glenwood is located off FM 359. In Glenwood are 72 homes where the average built in 1993, but you can also find new construction in between. The median lot sizes are around 2 acres. Some lots have 4 to 6 acres. The median square foot of the homes in Glenwood is around 3,435. The median market value is $755,000. The overall value range is between $600,000 and $1.7 million. The tax rate in Glenwood is 1.6%. Glenwood is zoned to the Lamar ISD School District. If you're looking for a great home on acreage, check out Glenwood. Give us a call, text us for more information, and thanks for watching. Bye!
Unveiling.com